Hey guys, welcome. So how do you add a hover button effect on Figma, and as well as a bunch of other effects on an exact template, if that's what you choose to put those effects in. So let's say this is an untitled sheet here, so to say. It's absolutely that simple because it's in here. Those types of hover buttons, you can just basically, so once you have your text styles, let's see, so once you have your text styles inputted here, well, let me just go back here a little bit. So once you've inputted your text styles on your empty sheet, then you can just basically select all this, like move, like hand tool, depending on whichever you want, like cursor, hand movement tools. It's all here, so you can basically easily add it up here. So that's just basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.